Good evening, everybody. Today, Abia and the Enugu state have come back again. See, he has started already. They have come back. They have come back. They have come back. They have come back. They have come back again. So you can see, just as I'm saying, they have not started. They just pour their soup. They just put on the soup at the eba. And today we want to know the first person that will take the first position. Why are we saying this? This name of the soup today is a black soup.
Oh, I've never heard this type of soup before.
But you want to rush it. I think you believe the soup is very delicious.
Yes.
This is your mommy's soup. Tessie, this is Beanie soup. So, test it. 1, 2, go. Dear, oh, small, oh. Don't take too long. Small. And Abia, you must finish licking your soup. If you did not finish your soup, that means you have failed the competition. The soup, the meat, everything. These children has just come back from school, and black soup today. What did we use to prepare this black soup? We are going to hear this in another video. But right now, tell me, how do you feel these children are eating this black soup? For the first time, oh. 1 to go. So, Enugu boy. Enugu came from Enugu. Abia is looking at me, enjoying her meat. Yes. Eating and talking people. As you can see, the children know what they are doing. Who will take first? It doesn't matter, but what matters is that these children are eating this black soup. They are not eating it as if it's the first day they are eating black soup. Hey! Showing that mommy black soup is very delicious. Something is missing in this place. There is no water. And anybody that need water will stand up and get water. 1, 2, 3, go! Watch and see the winner in the next video.